Can I do anything on you? Bounce on it, Dayo.
Bounce on it, Dayo.
Bounce on it, Dayo.
Bounce on it. I can't believe you know that.
I don't know how to tell you, Henya, but I've seen that for a while on my timeline. I was like, damn, she's really said that, huh?
I actually didn't know what's that really meaning. I was like, imagine like, hop on the bounce board, like bounce on it, Dayo. But it was not.
Mm-hmm.
What the heck, Dayo?
Yeah, she bounced on it, Dayo.
Bounce on it, Dayo. No,
Nosferatu?
no, Sapphire Tower.
Vampire?
Vampire movie, yeah.
Bounce on it?
I mean,
Nosferatu said bounce on it?
it's a meme. It's a meme. So like, they don't actually say that, but someone made a meme from that movie, and that got viral apparently.
I was like, damn.
Goodbye.